Okay, so this one is exercise 9, split part and save bodies. So if we open up the USB flash drive, and we've got a front plane here, and we're going to split this on the front plane. So select split on that, and again propagate visual properties. We're going to cut the bodies at that. It's going to give me these two little things. It's got body 1 and body 2 written there, so it should be clear. But in case it's not, you can actually still double click on that there and go and save. So in here we can call this USB cap. And we can call this one USB body, say. That. And let's click OK on that. And after a bit of whirring and clicking, and we get our hard split between USB cap and USB body on that. Okay, so what I'll do is just this first one, I'll hide that because we're going to draw a little profile on this one. So the profile's on page 81. At the top of page 81, it's this little profile here. So we're going to just draw that on that face and extrude it a little bit. So sketch on that surface. And it's all kind of based around this, so we kind of have to base it around that. What I might do is I might just draw a little center line about that and make it horizontal. And I'll make it construction on that. And it's 750 across at that, so it's probably no harm, just 0.75 on that. So just to give us a kind of construction line to start, because there's angles off at 88 degrees. So if I kind of look back at the drawing again, just throw it in there just to see it a little bit better. So there's these little 88 degree angles, so they're not straight up and straight. So you've got this little 88 degree angle kind of running on that, both sides, and then a little arc on that. So we just need to kind of make sure we get that right as well, so you can see them there on the side view. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I draw a line even, and I just throw it off at any angle at all there, somewhere there. Let's start that again and do that again. Just for my little, trying to be too fast. And just do a little arc. And it's going to be straight across there. And a little arc there. And we're going across to there. Now I'll have to do a tangent to that because that's probably not tangent. And we can kind of pop our little arc in there as well. They're not the same top and bottom, so we're going to draw the bottom. They're not the same sizes. So again, exaggerate it just to get a tangent arc there, and that gets me a tangent arc there, and tangent arc there, and just there. And again, then just make sure that that's tangent at that. Now I'm going to do my 88 degrees. So just pop in that. And, let's hit that little key. So that's 88 degrees. so on and so forth. And the overall distance is 346, and this distance is 159. That was close. And then all the arcs are equal, so before I kind of pop a dimension in, I might just make all them equal. And their radius 0.094. And I mustn't have got that one. So let's check that and make that equal as well. So that's that profile done. And we can extrude that then, whatever distance, 0.16. And that's that. And we can go and we can turn on this one. And then we're going to use the indent tool then to create the, if I just hide this. So we need to create the receiving sort of side of that. So we want to use the indent tool without any clearance on this one, just to remove the material of that matches. So turn that on again. So indent tool. So the target body is this, and the target body region is this, and we're going to remove selections, I think. And that didn't work. So I'm going to undo that. And delete that little indent. And try that again. So, indent. Target body is actually might just select it from there. Makes any difference. And tail body region is that. And use the cut option. So that. That might work. It's more like it. And turn that back on to show that. And we can come along then, and we're going to split the, so I'm going to turn that one off. I'm going to split this bit here, and okay, so we're going to split just this half of it because we don't need to split the cap. So we're going to use this parting surface as the split line. So you can see it kind of curving there, so that little surface on that. So we're going to split this again, and again the parting surface is going to be I think maybe no. No. Why is that not letting me select that? Split. Use the parting surface as the trim tool. Is there another parting surface? Nope. So let's start again. So surface body is hidden because it's in here. Doesn't help. So now we can split and picking the parting surface up here from the surface body. Okay. And now we can select the bodies to cut is just going to be this one. This one even. And cut bodies. And we've got a top and a bottom. So we call this one the USB top. And this one the USB bottom. And propagate visual data, I suppose. And that's that. We've now got 3 separate solid bodies. So we've got the cap, and we've got the USB top and bottom. And we can kind of flick through them. So there's that. USB top. That's it before we split it. And that's the cap. Sorry, so that's the cap there. Okay, so that's the cap when we split it without the little indent. So USB flash drive looks like that, and it's got this split, so we can hide individual items, and we can see they got the recess, and we can hide individual features on that. So let's put those back on. And it says optional, modify part documents as desired, add additional design details as desired. So again, it kind of asks you if you wish to just add in that little core feature in there, you could do that. And again, you could use that little indent tool to remove it if you needed. Or it could be just kind of drawn on the top of that surface, couldn't it? So you can do that if you like. I think the shell kind of is tough enough. You have to kind of do it really small. If we just so I'll open up one of the other little, so the USB bottom there, not that one, split one. Yeah, that shell, if you were trying to shell that, that would be kind of small enough to shell.